Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so we are here now live. Okay, so I'm just showing you today's weather. Okay, so today is Wednesday and there's like a snowstorm. Yesterday the roads were cleared already of the snow, and suddenly like today it's snowing again. Whew. Look at that, amazing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk like a few hundred meters from my apartment. Okay, let's just try. Okay, let's just try. It's not that cold since it's still snowing, but after the snow I'm sure it's gonna be real cold. Okay, so it has been snowing since morning. Okay, and it hasn't stopped, so that's why it's already thick, and it will not stop until like, I don't know what you said, like tomorrow or something. But I'll be working later on tonight. And let's try to see what's the situation tonight. How can I work, right? Anyway, I'm just taking the subway tonight. Yeah, and obviously if you have a car it's gonna be difficult to drive. See, and I'll be taking also a train and then a bus, but see. Okay, so let's now go. I'll just show you. Okay, I'm wearing winter boots. Oh, it's very thick. Ooh. 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 Oh, you can actually play here. There. Wind is so strong. Ah. Oh my god. Look. So let's just let's try, okay? So you can't actually see the road. Look, there's no pathway, okay? There's no pathway. Look at that. But we'll try to create our own way, okay? See, it's really, oh, it's really like, oh, oh, there. Oh, you can't see where I walked. The road is actually level already with the pathway. Whew. The wind is strong. It's truly a winter wonderland. Look at that one. It's nice. If you like to play outside with the snow, yes. Ooh. Look, you can't see actually the road. Like, oh, let me transfer my hand. My hand is freezing. My right hand is freezing. So this is actually a sacrifice for me taking this video. Just for you guys. And no, or yeah. So later on when I go back, I'll just probably show you what I'm seeing or the screen. So it's so nice. Oh, it's probably 3 inches or 2 inches. Oh, it's so late. Cleaning up. So when you're in Canada, this is what you're gonna do. Okay, look at that one. Oh. You can actually like just go down and show. Yeah. Whew. Yes. Come on. Come on. Look. It's so nice. It's so pretty to look at. Look at that one. Very nice. So white. Okay, my other hand is freezing again. So I'll just switch to the left hand. Okay. Oh, there's like a car. It's probably 2 inches or 3 inches, I think. Oh. Yeah, it's really like oh, you can't see like 2 or 3 inches now. Okay, so let me go back and show you the place, okay? Using the other side of the camera, front camera. So I will not be showing my face, okay? Okay, see you.